This is a really exciting year for the Huntington's Disease Society of America because it is our 50th anniversary as an organization. On September 18, 1967, Marjorie Guthrie received approval from New York State to announce the establishment of the Committee to Combat Huntington's Disease. And here we are 50 years later as a nationwide organization with an army of volunteers and families engaged in the fight. And it's really exciting to think about how much we've grown from literally 5 volunteers that met with Marjorie back in the 60s and were planning how to create change for Huntington's families. And now we really are this 50-chapter organization with so many families involved and a movement that was really envisioned just by her inspiration and her stick-to-itiveness. So when the organization was first founded back in the 60s, it was just to create awareness of the disease, to create a name for Huntington's chorea as it was known, so that the medical community could come together to begin to create change for families. Marjorie Guthrie was a one-man band. With her suitcase and her typewriter, she went around connecting families to doctors, doctors to scientists, and ultimately she traveled to Capitol Hill to raise awareness of the disease and create change so that we could be the research, education, and advocacy organization that we are today. It was not an easy road. Raising awareness of a rare disease is challenging and requires persistence to consistently advocate on something that doesn't affect many families. And especially for a hereditary disease, if Huntington's disease isn't in your family, you may not have reason to really think about it, to advocate for those who are affected by the disease. So Marjorie was constantly pushing that boulder uphill to create change in the neurology field with genetic counselors and with scientists to devote time and to creatively and compassionately develop care for HD families.